Time to plant garlic. Hi, welcome to my garden. It's November 4th. We've had our first frost. Here in zone 7, it's time to plant our garlic. Garlic comes in cloves, and you just break them apart. Don't worry about the paper and the deep mulch, it just becomes part of the mulch. We had a couple volunteers come up, so this is going to be our garlic bed. You place them about a bulb's size apart. That's about a bulb. They're going to want to be in full sun. And you want the pointy end up, of course. We're going to plant quite a few more than we normally do. This bed seems like it drains really well. You do not want your garlic sitting in water. It may rot. Now there's two kinds of garlic. There's your hard neck and your soft neck. Your soft neck comes up kind of like this with fronds. Your hard neck is going to have one stalk. Your hard neck is the one that puts on the scapes, which runs up for flowers. I believe they both do, but that one's more common. Those are delicacies, so you want to pinch those out if you're growing hard neck. These are going to be, I'm growing soft necked here. The hard neck needs more cold time than the soft neck. Soft neck will take milder climates. The soft neck is a little milder tasting, and it puts on quite a few more cloves, as you can see here. The hard neck will take a lot colder temperature. And I'm just going to plant each one of these cloves. I don't care what size they are. There's something else that we can plant at the same time as planting our garlic, and that's shallots. And they like the same kind of soil, they like the same kind of conditions. Now when you're hunting your bulbs in the store, keep an eye out for shallots. There's a bunch of different kinds, but the real true shallot is a French shallot, and I can't even pronounce it. Some people give me a hard time pronouncing turmeric, so I... So if you're going to be clever, you can actually plant some shallots in amongst your tulips and whatnot. But I bet your wife will pull them up not realizing that they're not supposed to be pulled up. So I'm not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and plant them in here amongst the garlic. Let me get these cloves in. We'll go get those shallots. Your shallots like well-drained soil. Just like any onion, they will try to push up. So we're going to go ahead and mulch all of this. And then obviously you just put the root side down. And those are red shallots. And these are the beautiful white French shallots that I cannot pronounce the name of. Shouldn't have been standing there. Garlic will probably be ready before the shallots are completely ready, but you can start pulling some off the cluster. You can start picking some of these and making scallions with the small little shallots. These should make a nice little cluster. Now I was going to plant some last year, except somebody got into them and we ate them. But I got quite a little bit more to plant, so let me get after that. Just make sure you're covered. This soil is good and damp. I think we're in good shape. Let me get some mulch. Right now I'm just going to mulch in with some hay. And we'll see what we get. Go ahead and give it a little water on top of this mulch. Help hold that moisture that's in there already. While we're doing this, let's go take a look at those seedlings. Now you can do this too. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. You want to learn about the living soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.